In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ads in Canva. If you've ever tried designing an ad from scratch, you already know how easy it is to waste time on the wrong canvas size, awkward spacing, or blurry text that doesn't look good once it's uploaded. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, especially when you start with the correct ad format and use the tools built specifically for marketing visuals. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your ad properly, customize it, and export it so it's ready to use. And to begin, open Canva from your homepage dashboard and head to the top right corner. Click Create a Design. This is a really important first step because you want to choose a format that matches the platform where your ad will run. In the search bar, type something like Instagram post if you want a square ad, or Facebook ad if that matches your campaign. Then select the matching format from the results so Canva opens the correct workspace with the proper dimensions already in place. Once your blank ad project is open, move to the left side panel and click the Design or Templates section. This is where Canva gives you a big head start. In the search bar, type a phrase that matches your ad style or industry, like a product sale ad, tech promo banner, or minimalist ad. Browse through the template options and choose one that fits your message and visual style. When you click it, Canva will place it directly onto your canvas. Now it's time to replace the sample visuals with your own media. On the left side, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose your product photos or graphics from your computer and let them upload into Canva. After that, drag your image onto the main image area in the template. It should snap neatly into place inside the frame, which makes it much easier to keep everything aligned and professional looking. Next, update the text so your ad communicates clearly. Click into the main headline area, highlight the placeholder text, and type your own message. And try to keep it short, strong, and easy to read at a glance. You can use the toolbar at the top to change the font, adjust colors, and make sure the style matches your brand. Then review the smaller text, such as feature details or offer information, and make sure it supports the headline without making the design feel crowded. Finish by checking the call to action button and changing it to something clear, like shop now or learn more. Before exporting, give the whole design one final review. Make sure no text is cut off, no graphics are too close to the edges, and no sample content is still left in the template. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, and choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for strong image quality, confirm your settings, and download the finished ad to your computer. And that's it. Your Canva ad is now ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.